Hi everyone, my name's Andy. I'm the new addition to the MK Sportscars team. I am on the way to the office now. Hopefully the rain will give out and I'll be able to take out the RX-5. It's the first time I've driven anything like this before. It's going to be a very honest review of my experience of the vehicle. So, I hope you enjoy. I am lucky enough today, while the sun's out for a little bit, to get out in this. The MK Indy RX-5. It's based on the MX-5 2002 NB MX-5 engine, running gear, gearbox. My God, it's gorgeous. I'm by no means a race car driver. It's the first time I've ever driven anything like this, anything rear wheel drive, anything open top, and it's incredible. So the first thing I've noticed straight off the bat, everything's exactly where you'd expect it. Indicators, ear stick, pedal box, handbrakes here. It's fantastic. Everything's exactly where you'd expect it. The seat is remarkably comfortable. It's actually a lot more friendly than you'd expect it to be. This steering is phenomenal. I've never had any experience with these types of cars before. The only thing I can say is anywhere close to is a go-kart, really. But something that sticks out is the lack of power steering. You feel everything. Everything's connected. All this steering feels very precise, very accurate. Exactly, like you can see all four corners of the car. It steers exactly where you want it. Just a point and squirt. So I've grown up riding motorbikes for about 20 years. This for me is the closest experience you get. The throttle response coming from the little Mazda engine is spot on. No weight to throw around. It's incredible. So I'm not a short guy, I'm 5'11", got quite lanky legs. And there's more than enough room for me in here. There's enough adjustment on the seat if you need to, but I'm comfortable. Something I definitely was not expecting. Nice big roundabout coming up. The tyres have definitely given me confidence. Let's find out, shall we? Oh my Lord. Oh, good Lord. Sweet Mother of Mercy. That's phenomenal. Like Velcro stuck to it. Big roller coaster. So we know not the most practical of cars. Going through a nice residential area. Do you want to see what it's like around nice, normal housing estates? Narrow roads, tight corners. So we just pop into the shops. Everyone lets you out, it's lovely. Do you know what? The ride's surprisingly comfortable, as he says, perfect timing. Thanks, buddy. The ride is surprisingly comfortable. Not the most perfect of roads, doing 20 mile an hour, actually very comfortable. Here we are, nice residential area, no problem at all. A lot more comfortable than I ever expected I'd be. Oh, definitely a head turner. It's so easy to drive. Everything's exactly where you'd expect it to be. It's just perfect. You know we've got potholes everywhere. You know that's standard UK life. This is so much more comfortable with the potholes than I ever expected it would be. You feel them? Yeah, not a problem. But they're not a big issue. They're not spine shattering, they're not jarring, they're just there. And it's so easy to deal with. Now you wouldn't think the 2002 1.8 litre engine from the Mazda would be your go-to drivetrain. 140 horsepower and a chassis this light is phenomenal, absolutely incredible. So the additions I've got on this car, as opposed to the standard model, I've got the screen, which is, at the moment, on a windy day like this, a godsend. I've got a 3.5-inch straps, harness, which is got a different clasp on it, 4-way clasp. If it's the experience you're after on the road, this is perfect. Nothing too much, nothing too scary, but the experience is like nothing else. Bottom line, if the wife said you can't have a bike, get one of these.